Hey everyone, today we'll be looking at the Echo Show 5 from Amazon. This is the box, as you can see here. I'll go ahead and open up the box. So here's what we have in the box. We have the instruction manual, we have the power cable, and then we have the actual unit over here that's wrapped in plastic. So I just powered it on for the first time. I'll go ahead and select English.
Hello. Ready for setup.
It's time to get you and your Echo Show 5 off and running. Here are 3 things to try first. Number 1, use your voice. You could say something like, Alexa, play happy music.
Okay, here's a station you might like.
Number 2, try using the touchscreen. Number 3, choose your perfect clock face. To get started, say, Alexa, customize my clock. This is just the beginning of things you can do with your Echo Show 5. For more things to try, just ask, Alexa, what can I say? Welcome to your new Echo Show 5.
So I've gone ahead and I've set up my Echo Show 5, as you can see here. If I swipe down from the top, I'm able to see that there's a home button. I can adjust the brightness here. I can put it in do not disturb mode for the night, and there's a settings page as well. At the top, there are a few functionalities. There's the mute button. There's a volume down and volume up button. And there's also the ability to hide the camera if needed. If I go ahead and swipe from the right hand side, it brings up some of my options where I can communicate, smart home, music, video, routines and alarms. Communicate allows me to drop in, announce, call, message and show contacts. Smart home allows me to turn off and on my smart devices. Music allows me to play my recent music. Video allows me to view Amazon Originals, Prime Movies, Prime TV shows, and more categories as well. So if I go ahead and play now, you can see that a trailer starts playing for this specific movie. If I go to routines, I'm able to see the routines that I have set up for Alexa. Alarms allows me to set up alarms for the morning. With the Echo Show, I can pair with a different Bluetooth device. I have my network settings, home and clock settings where I can change the clock or the home content. I can adjust the display, the sounds. I have a do not disturb function, communication, device options, restrict access, preferences, and some legal and compliance at the bottom. If you have any questions about the Echo Show 5, feel free to leave them down below. Otherwise, thanks for watching.